Hi guys, we're about to leave for the farm and it's just scenes at the back because my sister does not know how to share with people. My mom's been trying to be like Tando. It's just scenes there, but you know what guys, it's gonna be fun and I'm gonna vlog the whole experience. Our pre-Christmas camp. Usually we go for camp like around the 17th of December, but this time around we're going now because that's what I feel and some of us been sick. I'm vlogging the experience. What? Hello again. My mom wanted to try the new road. My to the farm. We're currently, I don't know, we're just waiting here. And it's by some power thing, like a power plant. So we can literally hear the motlakase. You know when you can hear the motlakase. I know it sounds weird, but you know you can hear motlakase. There's so much electricity around it that keeps us going. But so she's kind of just walking around. Yeah. You're making noise. Yeah, but no, I could only hear Honest voice though. No, she wanted to try the new road, you guys. No, my 10. And then we're gonna move on to your mother's sibling. And then we're gonna move on to your mother's sibling. Oh, yo. Man, I don't How are you enjoying your experience so far?
Do you guys want to go? Do you think we should go like now?
Is it refreshing? How are you enjoying your experience so far? How are you enjoying your experience so far?
I like my experience. I like the farm actually. You guys must come.
The experience so far is like a good 8 out of 10. The sun has come out, so that's a bit of a bum. But yeah. Why?
Well then, why?
Yeah, I feel like people laugh at me off my sketch at school. There's this one time when I was getting my... There's this one time when I was getting my books at the locker. People were busy because my locker is number 15. People busy getting my books. And like then Precious like, oh my God, this is the sketch you should wear. This is the sketch you should wear.
But it's like they were not laughing. It's okay.
You see, the next time we see now, I have a sketch like that. Every single time, especially with the so they'll be like, no, they'll be like, can I in class? I always like, you don't show me in the video. Can you not see I look like an egg cockroach? They're always saying that, people who wear long skirts look cute. But the boys in my class are saying, no, they look ugly. No,
it helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described.
That big fat brown one is definitely not going to be
creating an
happy when
imaginary
other brown ones
picture.
are broken.
Usually it's something that moves.
Oh, those are the cows outside.
to my soul. Your love, your love,
I
your
feel
love,
like
your
the
love
smoke is
can
going to
make me
So it doesn't
whole.
stop singing.
Your love can
So I'm just saying.
make
Sing everybody.
falling apart. Said your love is a delight to make me whole.
Your love moved through the ever-loving King, master with compassion in the woman's eye.
When he said to a thief who was begging him for mercy, that's the way I live in paradise.
Ooh, when I'm saved, I'm saved, I'm saved.
Like the criminal on the cross. Praise God, I'm saved.
No
more
picture,
to suffer, Lord. Your love, Lord, and a fine family. Thank you, Lord, for your blessing on me. What?
Friday the 13th.
When is it bad luck to see a black cat?
Every day.
Friday the 13th.
Here are the options.
What are the options?
When you wake up early, when you are a mouse, when you are a dog, every time.
Every
When you're a
time.
mouse.
It's when you're a mouse.
A cat eats a mouse. Guys, think about this.
I get people say a cat is a black cat is bad like every single time they see it.
No, no, what? A mouse is afraid of a cat because if you bring
Okay,
a mouse
next.
Okay. You have me today, but tomorrow you will have more. I'm not easy to store, but I don't take up space.
it's so long.
I'm
I
what
can't
you
remember.
saw, but not what you see. What am I?
Ice cream.
Here are the options.
Can you read the question again, please?
You have me today, but tomorrow you'll have more. I'm not easy to store, but I don't take up space. I'm what you saw, but not what you see. What am I? The options are money, weight, friends, memories.
Money.
Come on, guys.
Wait, we start from the beginning again. It's weight.
You
It's
have me
money.
today, but tomorrow you'll have more.
Wait.
I'm not easy to store, but I don't take up space. I'm what you saw, but
Eh, you said eh, right?
what am I?
No.
What she said? What are the options?
Money,
Memories.
There's weight, there's friends, and there's memories.
Memories.
Take up space.
They don't, but the answer is memories.
Casey, memories don't.
But
that's why you have-
memories, you can remember some form of photos and stuff.
But it's really in your mind. It's what you saw, but
You
not
have
what
to. You're recording
Oh.
me. Do not look like a chicken.
Yeah.
I look very bad
Okay.
right now.
Rearrange the letters. Ah, why?
Yes.